with you with the new tutorial. Today's project is about an elegant beaded ring, totally new brand, new style, elegant ring we are making today. Let's start with 8 bicone golden bicones, 3 mm. We have made double knot here, and after tightening it, making it secure, we have started. We will take silver bicones 3 mm. 3 silver bicones will be added here, passing through golden bicone. We pass through golden bicone. Now we will add 2 silver bicones, passing through silver bicone and golden bicone. Now again we will be adding 2 bicone silver 3 mm. We will repeat it till the end of this round. The same number of beads, the same beads we will be adding 2 bicone silver each time. Totally we have to add 8 times. At the end we will add 1. Now it's the end of this round. We have added 1 silver bicone, passing through bicones and silver bicones and golden bicone. First round is completed. You can look, it's elegant look. Silver and golden's combination, sterling silver and golden's combination is looking nice. Now next step has started. We are adding 8 seed beads 11 golden seed beads 11. We pass through 1 silver bicone which we added in the last round, so we pass 1 and we entered to next. We have skipped between 2 silver bicones. We have skipped 1 silver bicone, and in this way, after skipping 1, we will add from 1 silver bicone to other with 8 golden seed beads 11. We have added 4 times 8 golden seed beads 11. We have added 4 times. Now we will start beading the beads which we skipped in the last round. We skipped. Now we will add seed beads from these. We will start from these silver bicones. We are adding in this round silver seed beads 11. In this round we will add silver seed beads 11. 8 silver seed beads we have picked. Now our thread is coming out from 1 bicone which we skipped in last round, and now we have skipped the next silver bicone, and we have entered our needle. We are passing our needle to the next one, and you can see how we have to set these beads. watch this video carefully. It will be clear how you have to add these beads, 8 silver beads, from one silver bicones to next silver bicone. Passing through these silver bicones, we are adding silver seed beads. Each time we are adding 8 seed beads, 11, and we have to add these 4 times. These are twisted style. You can see we are adding now twisting style. These looks are twisted beads, looking twisted, and our beaded part, where our rings beaded part has shaped now a flower, like a flower. It's looking like a flower. Now we are adding in the center of this ring, we are adding white crystal bead, transparent white crystal bead, 6 mm. We have added it in the center of our ring. Our ring's base is almost ready. It is almost ready. Now we will make rings band here. For rings band, we have to pass through silver bicone. We pass through silver bicone. Here we will add four golden seed beads. We are making this rings band in herringbone stitch. In herringbone stitch, we are making its rings band. You can see we have started from seed beads, 4 seed beads. Now we will add 2 seed beads, and each time we will be adding 2 seed beads. This is herringbone stitch. We are adding 2 seed beads. Each time we will add 2 golden seed beads, 11. Our elegant ring. I hope today's tutorial you would like it, you would try it. Color combinations and its pattern, I hope you guys like it. The same band you can see in the video, I am wearing a ring I have made before this project. The same pattern, the same thing, and we have made our rings band according to our fingers. We have to make it which size we have to keep it. Now we have completed it. It's time to join it on the other end, from one side to its other end. We are going to join it on other end. Here we will join with passing through silver bicone 3 mm. From the other end we have picked one silver bicone. We have passed through this bead and we are attaching our rings band here and with this we will complete our finger ring, beaded ring, twisted style. Here we are making some knots to make it secure, and now we will trim the extra thread. It's ready now. You can look, it's elegant. Look, sterling silver sterling ring, very cute ring. I hope you must try. You would like it when you will make for yourself. You would like it. It will look pretty in your fingers. It's very cute. It's very elegant. Kindly subscribe my channel, watch my channel's videos fully, and share it, like it, and encourage me with your comments, with your subscriptions. So this is the end of our tutorial. Keep watching. Like my channel somycrafty, and my second channel is Ismin Jewelry. I work hard. I make all videos with love and full consideration. It's my passion. Beading is my passion. I hope you would like it. You will subscribe my channel. So I will say bye now. Lots of love. Take care. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.